This is just a preview of Crysis 3 on my new computer build, just to show what it looks like running on high settings. It's not on very high, just because it seems to lag out a tiny bit on very high. It's a really fun game though, I like it. I just barely started playing this, so I'm not the best at it yet. I'll get the hang of it though. But yeah, anyway, that's some of Crysis 3. I'm not very good at it yet, but I'll get better at it. Yeah, it seems to work pretty good though. Loads really fast. Everything looks nice and smooth. Thanks for watching, guys.